Hello and welcome back to Eat Like an Egyptian. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Egyptian Khalta rice. And the Khalta rice is basmati rice that is studded with nuts and raisins, infused with caramelized sugar and spiced to perfection. It's traditionally made with chicken liver, but today I've swapped that out for some beef mince. And this dish pairs so beautifully with almost anything, and it's so full of flavour that you'll never want to eat plain white rice ever again. So I really do hope that you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're starting by preparing the meat. So heat butter and oil in a large saucepan and then add and cook onions over medium heat until they become lightly golden. Then add the minced meat and stir to break up the chunks, and then season with black pepper, salt, cinnamon, cardamom and paprika, and then cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the meat browns. Now add some butter toasted, pine nuts and set aside. And now for the rice, so heat butter and oil in a pot over medium heat, then add sugar and stir to make sure that all the sugar is dissolving, and then let the sugar and butter cook together, but watch the pan very closely as this process moves quickly and the sugar can easily burn and turn bitter. Once the caramelized sugar has reached a deep brown color, add the washed and drained rice and gently stir for a couple of minutes, making sure that the rice is evenly coated. And now add the stock. I'm using homemade lamb broth, and lightly season with black pepper, salt, cinnamon, cardamom and paprika to perfume the rice, and then bring to a boil and cover until most of the water is absorbed. Then bring the heat right down and cook for 10 minutes, and then add half of the minced meat and a third of the butter toasted nuts and raisins, and stir gently so the rice grains don't break up. And then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, then remove from the heat and leave the rice to stand for about 10 minutes, then serve with the remainder of the minced meat and nuts and enjoy. Khalta rice is always a huge hit at gatherings that even the pickiest of eaters love, and it's a perfect pairing to any type of meat and vegetable dish. You can switch the nuts and dried fruit to whatever you want, and feel free to customize the spices to your taste as well. This rice is so delicious, you'll be eating it straight out of the pan. I really do hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time with another Egyptian recipe.